हेलो दोस्तों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे होंगे? मेरे ख्याल से बिल्कुल खैरियत से होंगे और मेरे चैनल को देख रहे होंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो मुझे सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और मुझे कमेंट में बताएं आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी। ठीक है, तो दोस्तों आज का चैलेंज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। वाओ, कितने मज़े मज़े के फ्लेवर हैं। तो ये फ्लेवर ट्राई करना पड़ेगा लगता है। मज़ेदार फ्लेवर है ये, तो बहुत शानदार फ्लेवर है। मुझे अपना फ्लेवर बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Zach is making some fresh squeezed orange juice. Who would say no to that? Monica is thrilled.
Yeah.
Mary, you're up, hun. Go for one of them. Uh-oh, that's some sort of burning hot nightmare. Zach, fill us in. Wow, this is exotic. Tabasco and a chili pepper. Oh, what could possibly be hotter? Monica, give your friend a hand. A fire extinguisher is always kept close by during challenges. Moving right along, the goal is to avoid the bad one. Okay, ladies? Mary's going first, and she's chosen wrong. Our bartender put together something awful. That's a combo of aloe and anchovies blended together thoroughly. But hey, the other two bottles contain nothing but yummy Fanta. Bon appetit! Mary takes a sip of cocktail number 1, and it's so unbearable that she takes a rather drastic move. The lids are popped off, and Mary washes away that flavor. Mary is going to rely on a bit of luck this time around. See if that will help. Where has it landed her? The white beverage is the one she chooses, and I think she finally picked correctly. What is it? Zach is about to show off his chopping skills using nothing but his hands. To get to its milk, a coconut needs to be cracked open first. No easy task, but so worth the effort, I can assure you of that. Unfortunately, there's only so much to be found in each coconut. Poor Zach, that was one too many. Mary truly appreciates his efforts, though. The tropical flavor has taken her to a sunny beach. Monica isn't about daydreaming. She's ready for a dose of reality. Here in the real world, she needs to sip on the green drink. What flavor is it? What do you think? Would you call broccoli tasty? Ugh. I think not. Monica has turned green herself. Good thing Mary is sitting there and ready to help. How will she help our patient? Phew, a little sugar was the antidote. What's on the table this round? Zach's got endless ideas. Do you know what Mary is drinking? That's right, gummy eyes and plenty of them, all soaking in refreshing Sprite. Nice! Mary is sucking down the good stuff fast as can be, and in the end is left with an eye, which is fine. It's yummy too. But when she tried to go for the rest of them, she underestimated her strength a bit.
Wow!
Monica, you ready? What's inside the bottle? Huh? Instant noodles and lots of spices. Not so sure that's gonna be a good thing.
Stop.
Ooh, Mary made sure that it wasn't. Hey now, that blue stuff looks pretty appetizing, but it could be deceiving. Oh, Zach, what's with the get-up? This is all rather serious for a challenge. Should we be worried? Oh, do you see what that is? Super stinky cheese. That's rough, and fruity Fanta is added to it? This is seriously cruel and unusual. We do not recommend anyone tries anything like this. It's truly revolting. Unfortunately, Monica doesn't have a choice. She takes a few sips. Oh, but that was more than she could handle. Mary, which one are you going for? Yeah.
Oh!
Zach pours something really nice in there. There's only one ingredient, but the taste is unparalleled. What is better than plain Coke? Mary sucked it down so fast, she's turned into a walking ad. Nice. Monica is terrified to make the wrong choice. Oh, and those bottles are a bit different this time. And there's Pop Rocks to top it all off.
Whoa.
What's the drink? Zach has turned into a bit of a mad scientist for the moment.
Oh!
And the last step he's got planned is to pour in watermelon juice.
Oh!
Yum! This might be the best beverage yet. But still, one should be careful. Monica was a huge fan of that experiment. Will Mary be too? Whoa, nothing but lemon juice? Ooh, that's gonna be hard to swallow. At least she got something sweet to start, but after that, things went downhill for Mary. That sour taste hit her like a bag of bricks. Timber! Per the usual, there's both tricks and treats up for grabs. Monica, you start. Delish. Zach has really gotten into being a chef, and he's not messing around this time. A wonderful milkshake covered in whipped cream. Score! goes for the middle bottle, and that's... Well, it's filled with carrot and eggs.
Yeah.
There's no way Mary is going to enjoy that. And just as we suspected. Oh, Monica, don't you know you should never laugh at your friends? Karma will come back to bite you.
What?
Prepare for another surprise. Monica is so brave. And man, is she a lucky duck. Zach was feeling generous and poured some fruity goodness into that bottle. Monica is clearly a huge fan of mango.
Wow.
But Mary isn't having it. She is not going to get stuck with another stomach-turning drink.
What?
Nope. She tapes her friend up and steals her juice without a second thought. Now to calmly enjoy her sweet treat. Monica, you're going to have to pick another one, I'm afraid.
Ooh.
Zach decided to go out with an aromatic bang today. I've never seen so much garlic in one place.
یہ بہت زیادہ گندا فلیور ہے. چھوڑو اس کو. ہاں تو کیا کر سکتے ہیں, یہ بہت گندا فلیور ہے. تو دوستو اگلی ویڈیو میں آپ سے ملاقات ہوگی. تب تک کے لیے اللہ حافظ. میری ویڈیو کو لائک کریں, کمنٹ کریں اور شیئر کریں اور سبسکرائب کریں. ٹھیک ہے تو دوستو, اگر آپ کو میری ویڈیو اچھی لگی ہو تو مجھے کمنٹ میں بتائیں آپ کو میری ویڈیو کیسی لگی. آپ سے اگلی ویڈیو میں ملاقات ہوگی. تب تک کے لیے اللہ حافظ دوستو. آپ اپنا خیال رکھنا اور اوکے, اللہ حافظ دوستو.